Ikot kami. Yung banda, oh. Malapit na kami bumaba. Ayan, magpindot na tayo dito banda ng para ano na siya. Para mag-stop siya sa ating next na bababaan. Pindot na natin. Kulay pula siya. Kami. Ang pinakamalaking Tesco. Okay, bababa na kami. Ayan yung pinakamalaking Tesco. Ready not? We're here. We're here. We're here. Ayan, tara, baba na tayo. Okay, dito na kami sa basement. Pupunta na kami doon sa ano, sa store. Ang lamig, grabe. Kahapon okay siya. Punta na kami sa front. Ayun, foggy siya. Nako, may ginagawa dito. Malawak to. Yung kulay din ang pupunta natin. Oh, look at this. They changed it. They used to have a kids' playground in here, but they put instead this. Here. Huh?
What do you think it's on the other side?
Which?
It might be on the other side.
Ayun, oh. Ikea. Ayan eh, ang taas, oh. Hindi makita yung ano, yung pangalan. Let's go inside. Ayan. Wow. Ang ganda niyan, oh. This is their design. Bakit tayo? Guys, we are here. And Ikea, back again. Kakain daw kami. Ayan yung aming trolley.
Hello.
Ah! Say hello. Yan, kakain daw muna kami bago kami mag-shopping. Ano yung mga dessert nila? Dessert.
Wait, should we get a cheesecake or a dame cake?
Up to you. There is the, these are all the dessert. Okay, we are here in the dessert.
Should we get that or should we get a little
You,
cake?
you can have,
But I don't want
really?
that.
That looks nice. Which one is it? Is it the one?
Cheesecake, yeah.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Just for you.
Announcement. Would all those responsible for the department please collect their loose ends? Would all those responsible for the department please collect their loose ends? Thank you.
Ay, masarap yung ano nila dito, meatballs. Sarap, no? Ayan daw ang gusto ni Nat. Looks yummy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you sure you like that bread? It's a garlic bread.
Yeah, sure.
That's a salad. The same one. Ayan yung pagkain namin ng baby ko. Ayan, everyone, we are in Ikea. Look. Ikea home for furnishing. We're up on the end of the restaurants. We're eating. Oops. Sorry for that face. Yes. That's our food. It's for our lunch. Ganda na. Let's go, everyone. Let's get just trolley. Let's go shopping with this girl. Let's go this way. Ayan all. Oh, this one that you were saying. Look, guys. This is a hanging plant. It's artificial. Do you want to get this? Like that?
Yeah.
So then you can wash them.
Wait.
There looks
Yeah.
good, but with this, with a pot. Ayan yung baby ko, oh.
What's going on?
Bibili daw siya ng hanging plants. Kaso ayaw niyang magdilig. So she's gonna go for artificial instead. It's a different one. Should be the same. Yeah, they're the same. Yan, artificial. These are the model kitchen. They're very nice. And these are the center tables. Okay, this way. We are in Ikea. Oh, look, there's another color. I like the green one. Follow the arrow for you not to get lost in the shop. arrow this way. What I'm looking is, this is a nice living room. A small nice living room. And I like this one. This is pretty. Green. But looks too dark. Isn't it? But it's so beautiful. Really is. And that's another one. Ito yung mga model nila dito. Ang ganda oh. But I like this one. That one. The divider. Huh? No, it's only record. I only record them. What? It's only record. What's this now? How pretty
Can we
is that?
redecorate?
Okay. You know the small shelves? Like a small bookshelves. That's what I'm looking for. Now, where are we here now? It is a bedroom. It's a bedroom. Oh yeah. Bed sheets.
I want to put a shelf bed.
Sorry?
The shelf bed.
That's what I'm looking for now. Okay, let's have a look while I'm doing these videos. Look at this. Soft. And that's a storage. Storage box. Okay, let's go to the dining. Oh, well, look at that. They're so nice. The bedroom are nice. Ah, so dreamy in here. With a baby cot. This is a dining room. Tables, chairs. What are we going to get in here? That's the folding one, not? Okay. Yeah. So this is a beautiful one. Look at that light. Look at that light. And that is right, lavender. Does it smell? Can you smell it? It's a lavender. Okay, come on up. Do you want to pull this one? Okay, roses for you. It's artificial roses. That looks pretty. Looks real. That should be in one of these bedrooms. Oh, this one not. This is what I'm looking for. Come. Oh, that looks good. I'm going to get this. Now, where is the price? Oh, there. Okay, I'm going to get that shelves because my princess is dreamy. Here, how beautiful is my kitchen here? Look at that. They're all with prices, but they look so pretty, isn't it? A beautiful one. And the cupboard are so cute. Oh, come. Look at this. There's another one here. Wow, this is a complete. It's a complete set with toilets. Oh, bless you. Lovely design from Ikea. This is the bedroom. I mean the living room. It's a study room. Wow, this is nice then. The mirror. It's a small space, but look at this. So nice space. Lovely arrangement. Come. Panda. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is with table and a bed. Bed and breakfast. Wow. They're so nice. Yeah, not like that, not. There's there are books in the okay, come on. Now, where is the arrow? That's another bedroom design. Yep, all nice, amazing. Look at this. It's so cozy. Wow. This is so cute. And look at this inside. Whoa, it's so amazing. It's like this is ideal for the loft, I mean. And there is cupboard. What's this now? Oh, it's a frame. That's so beautiful model. Yeah. But this is really good. And there is a bedroom there inside. Okay, come on. Well, have a look downstairs. There's plenty. Come. Huh? Yeah. There's other showers. That's nice. We have to follow the arrow in order for us to come out from this place. And we're gonna go downstairs. Wow. Look at this. Ang gaganda ng mga ano nila, mga bedroom model. Ayan, oh. Ito ay naku naman yan. Yung mga ano dyan, oh. Bridal. It's a closet. Bongga. Ang ganda. Ito yung mga cupboard. Clothes. Cupboard here. Dressing room. Ito yung mga cabinet. Okay. Yung mga cabinet. Okay, we need a hanger now. I'm sure there is one downstairs. How many? 8 pieces. Let's get one of this. Lumalaki na kasi yung mga bata. Kaya hindi na kasya yung mga damit nila. Sa babies. Sa mga babies.
Yeah, I need those. Okay, we're getting another one.
Yeah, for your uniform.
No,
Or the...
oh yeah, look, I need to redo my cupboard. So.
Get one. I know.
Yep.
So, let's go.
My bedroom. Blah blah blah.
What's that?
A watch.
Okay, that's a jewelry storage. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I think the shelf is downstairs. These are the, well, I got already that one. Here is the arrow. Another bedroom design. Cabinet. Can I have a look at this? I got that already. These are the cupboards. Guys, whoever wants cupboard. I like Ikea's cupboard. Shelves. Look at this. All right, let's go downstairs. It's another bedroom cupboard. This is the thing that I want to get. This one. With all the clothes. There's the one up there. Now here are... Wow, look at this. Welcome to the kids' kingdom. It's all jungle.
Oh my gosh, it's so sick. Oh,
Yeah, that's the one.
the hand mannequins. They scare me, but you know.
Look at this. A beautiful kingdom. They're all hanging up there. It's so nice. Ito yung part ng ng kids play area. Like, ayan yung mga toys for the kids. Ito, umikot yung aking kasama dito sa mga toys. She's she's still more on toys. Hindi daw pala, hindi. Ito yung baking, it's kids baking stuff. Right. This is really real. What's this? Apron, guys. Oh, it's a hat. Oh, wow. Nat, look at this. I think Barbie needs this. Look at that. It's all real. Look at that. Oh, kids. Oh, wow, that's nice. What's that? It's a. There is. Yeah. Oh, that's a paper to draw. This is the painting. Okay, this is the foam. Okay. No, that's the. Oh, what's that for the painting? Look at that. I just love this place. Are you coming now? It's another bedroom here. Oh, ang ganda. Gusto ko talaga yung idea na to. Ito guys. Useful siya. Especially sa mga kids. Ganda siya. Diba? I think I'm gonna get this. Should be one downstairs. Cupboard and the bed. Ayan. Isn't it? Yeah. And there is one in the bottom. Yeah. Here's another bed. Wow, this one is the one that you said.
Yeah. And there's
Beautiful.
yeah, and there's
Beautiful.
another one.
It's
The shelf bed with shelves underneath the bed.
yeah. The design is really amazing.
Like shelves underneath the whole bed.
Yes. Hi guys, we are downstairs now. What they have here is the kitchen accessories. Come on. Oh, sorry. I don't help you with that.
Take the trolley, please, and leave yellow basket here.
Oh, is it? Okay. Come on then. Okay. Yeah. That's better. So guys, it's just a quick one because I'm now low. This is the kitchen thing, accessories, saucepans. Yeah. Yung mga sandok. Oh, see, I'm low bat now. Okay, and let's go follow the thing. There is baking trays, plates, mugs, everything for the kitchen. Storage. Okay. Spoons, glasses, lots tissues, mats, There's plenty in here. Vases. Vases pa kung tawagin. Sa mga, ayan, kanya-kanya sila. Mga cushion. Ito na yung mga ano. Yung sa chairs. And I like the green one. Huh? The chair. We got grey one, isn't it? Yeah, they got plenty in here. Look, this is the very big Ikea in here. Now we are in the curtain area.
Okay, can I do it?
Yeah, you can. Curtain pole. No, in here. We're not gonna go there. Huh? Which? What do you mean? Oh yeah, it's from outside. It's been raining, isn't it? We are now in here, in the bedroom. Bed sheets, pillows. Every pillows they've got here. Yes. Lots in here. So they are the duvet cover, duvet, diba? Bunga. Lahat nandito siya. And now we are in the, what is the next one? I think, ito yung mga lababo. Okay, we are in here now. You just need to follow the arrow for you to come. Oh, wait, my socks came out. 1 second, guys. Just fixing my shoes. Okay, and candles is here now. Towels, they're here. Let me see this one. Soft one. Bath mat. They're all in here. Ito yung mga ironing box, storage, mga. There is the hanger there. How about this? The orchid. Okay, these are the hangers. It's like laundry stuff. And now we are in the box storage. Wow, it's huge. So big in here. These are the, see, all the storage, those things.
Oh yeah, there's one.
It's so pretty, isn't it? This lights, it's like, what? I don't know how to do it. I don't want to break it. But it's so beautiful. It's so nice. I like the colors. Look. Yung klase ng mga lights.
LED lights, yeah, look.
These are all lights. Now, all lights, type of lights. Okay, now next one is, what's that? Oh, the square one. Oh, what are you going to do with that? I like that one. I like this one. Come here. Look at that. These are so pretty. Wow, what a sign. Are you coming? Come quick. Yan yung aking kasama. Taga-push ng trolley. Yeah? Which one?
The square one.
Oh, they changed it. It's a, I don't know where it is. It's not there. So I'm just going. Ito na yung mga carpet.
I think we know that.
Where are the carpets? Carpet. It's a carpet area. Sorry guys. Ayan oh. As in. Now here is the frames. Wow. Okay. These are frames.
Oh, hologram.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Where are you going? Excuse me, madam. In here. These are all the frame painting. And oh, it's here. Candles. We're here for the candles. We're going this way. Right. Okay, we're here for the candles. Careful, darling. Be careful. These are the candles. Lots of candles in here. Lots of nice smell candles. And I'm gonna take one of this. Oh, they make it like more thinner. Really? Look at this. That's a nice for candles. Like, I think it's the same. Let's just have a look. Yeah, could probably the same. Just one. And another. Where are the other ones? Oh, here not. Pink. Wow, pink na pink. It's a nice smell. Can you smell it without your mask? Without your mask?
Yeah.
Is it nice? Although, yeah, it's nice. Okay, let's go. I think that's it. Oh, oh, that's the one, isn't it? Huh? I am, my darling. Here is the strawberry. How many did we have for the strawberry? 2. Did we get 2? Where's the other one? Wait. Where's the other one? We got only 1. Let's get another one. We're gonna get this. Right. Let's go. It's the candles. Pinalagyan ng candles. And now next is, ito na yung mga halaman. Ayan oh. Ito yung artificial na mga halaman. Look, you have this as well. This one. Now they're all artificial here. Those plants are all artificial. And you know guys, artificial are more expensive than the real one. This is hanging plants as well. Oh wow, look. Gusto na niya daw ng plants. Pero ayaw niya magdilig. Yeah. What? Oh. Where are the real one? They don't have it. These are the real one. Where are they? Are they disappearing? Here. Okay, these are the real orchids. Now here is come. Those. You know what I am looking here is the banana one. Tingin tayo dito guys. No. Oh, this one. These are the but hindi siya naka-organize. Okay. Come here darling, into the other side. Okay, we're nearly on exit. Then after this we have to pay and then go home. We're just looking for... Ito yung mga kalasag, oh. Ay nako, ang daming kalasag nila. Orchid, cactus nut. They don't have that much in here, love. Yeah, real one is not here. Yeah, they don't have the banana one. I'm looking for the small banana, guys. Banana plants. No, it's not here. Okay. Hi guys, we are now about to go home. And look at this. We are in the exit from Ikea. So yeah, we're heading home now and done our shopping. Tired na daw siya. Let's see everyone. Look at my hair. We are now going home. Thank you and thank you for all your support.